Number 1. Pygmy marmoset. You are not likely to catch sight of these mini monkeys too much. They come from high in the rainforests of South America. They will leap and duck and dive in between the branches of the trees and creepers. Then they will suddenly freeze like a statue and then dash off again, just like a little squirrel. In fact, it's also got brown hair similar to a squirrel, and its tail is much like a squirrel too. It's the color of these marmosets that camouflage them so well from their enemies. These little pygmy marmosets are literally the world's smallest monkeys. Actually, when it is fully grown, it will fit into an adult's hand, and it doesn't weigh any more than a stick of butter, you could say. Number 2. Pygmy rabbit. The pygmy rabbit is the smallest rabbit in the world. It's got gray fur and little white spots on its nose. It won't grow much bigger than a person's foot and weighs only about 1 pound. It lives in burrows or near tall grasses and brush. They like their food near them, which is a lot of grass, and they particularly like the sagebrush. Number 3. Madame Bert's mouse lemur. The cute Madame Bert mouse lemur does look a bit like a mouse. These lemurs have a grayish-brown body with brown heads and 2 big ears. They will listen out for bird alarm calls and other lemurs to drive their predators away. These lemurs are the smallest primates in the world and are only found in western Madagascar. They have cinnamon and yellow colorings with light gray included. The underfur is a neutral black and gray color. You won't find them really anywhere else in the world. They are solitary creatures and operate at night. During the day, they will sleep in nests in the trees or holes. They often groom each other or huddle together for a few minutes. Number 4. Speckled padloper tortoise. The little speckled padloper tortoise is the smallest in the world, and it won't survive being kept as a pet. They eat mostly a plant diet. The tortoise is native to South Africa. You can tell this particular species apart from other tortoises in its genus by the fact that it has 5 toes on its 4 feet and by its speckles. They live on the rocks and rocky outcrops, foraging for food among the rocks. Then they have the shelter of the rocks from the heat and also from predators. Number 5. The Etruscan shrew is the smallest mammal known by its mass. Their main characteristics are their very rapid movements and the way they eat so fast as well. It also eats around 1.5 to 2 times of its body weight each day. They have a particularly large head compared to the rest of their body, with small hind limbs.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more such facts.